Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of Facebook ads, and in this class we will see how to get the video views. So just click on this and click on continue. So this basically to get some views on your video and all. Okay, so this is not rocket science. This is really very easy and simple. It's just like what we have learned in our previous classes. So most of the things over here is repeated. Almost everything is same. It's just that you should be knowing how to target your audience, how to make changes to your ad and everything. Okay, so this budget part, this is almost similar to what we have already seen previously. Creating the audience and all, this is also same, like targeting. So this is all about the placement, how you want to place your ad. I will say just show my ad on Facebook and Instagram, and yeah, this rest everything is same. And this is the cost, what you want to how much cost you want to invest. And don't touch anything over here. These things are almost similar what we have already seen previously. And next comes our ad set. Okay, so you can just give the name of your ad set, and now I have to select the video. I will show you how to do that. Okay, so over here I have to select the video on which I want to get the views. Okay, you can either create a slideshow of the videos, or you can create a video, or you can add a video. Okay, just click on this add video, and you can just upload the video from here. If you are having any video, then you can just select it and upload it, or I can just select the custom video. Let's see whether I have any video. Or you can do one thing, you can give the link of your video. If suppose you are having the video on YouTube, and if you want to get the views on that particular video, then you can provide the link. Let me just see, I must be having some video over here. Okay, so let me just go to this page. Okay, so this is the link what I'm having. I will come over here and I will paste that link, and I will say tutorial video, because this is a one of my tutorial in which I have taught how to design few things. Okay, so please choose the video for your ad. I have already choose, but still I'm getting this error. Paste the direct download link to video. Okay, let me just copy paste this over here, and this is that video link. I think that video link should be in this format. I will just copy this, because the video link which was provided by me was a short link, but it should be this lengthy link over here. Okay, it looks like you are trying to upload something that isn't a video, or it's corrupted. Okay, now this will be fine. I will say tutorial video over here, and I will say continue. Okay, so it is throwing an error because it is not accepting the video. It is not able to download that video from this place. So what you can do is you can either add a video or create a video. Let me just see whether there is already some default video present or not. Otherwise you just have to upload it. Just make sure that when it comes to the making or getting the views on some video and all, that video should be short and simple. Okay, of 1 or 2 minutes. Just make sure that you are keeping it short. 1 minute of video is more than enough, not exact 1 minute. It should be of 59 seconds. Okay, so let me just select this one, and I will say add image. Okay, so as of now I'm not having any video, so let me just proceed with the image only, or should I pick some template from here? Okay, this looks good. Okay, so I will just go with this option. I will select this and I will say customize, and let me just see. Okay, so this video looks good. I will just go with this only. I will make use of this as a video, but currently I'm getting this finish creating your video. Okay, so I will say buy product over here, and I will give the font as this one. You can select anything. I will select the text color as black, and I will say use. Let's see whether now it is working or not. Okay, it is still throwing me an error. Let's just go to the top, and for scene 1 I have added this image, and now for scene 2 I have to upload a logo. Okay, so which is I'm not having as of now, so I will change this image. I will put some different image. Okay, let me put this image. Okay, so this looks good. To some extent it looks good, and let me just scroll down, and now as can be seen we are not getting any errors. So I would say use this video. Actually it was supposed to download the that video from my YouTube link, but that video was very lengthy. It was more than 1 minute, so it was because of which it was throwing an error. Okay, so just make sure that video should be of 59 seconds and not exact 1 minute. It will adjust its time, but when it comes to the promoting some videographic content on the this Instagram and all, then Instagram only allows the content of 59 seconds. So just make sure that your video is not very lengthy. Just keep it short and simple. Okay, so now my video have been uploaded, and this is how it would look on the Facebook. Okay, so currently it is running. Okay, so it looks good up to some extent, and this is the primary text what you can add, and this is primary, and this is the primary text which will appear on the top, and when it comes to the Instagram it will appear inside of the caption, and yeah, this is the place where that text will appear, and this is the name of your page. Okay, so whatever page that you choose or whatever name that you give to your page, that will come over here, and it will be shown as a sponsored as a tag, and also make sure that you are giving a very good logo to your Facebook page what is created by you. And you can do one more thing. You can add a website if you want. Okay, you can just give the link of your website. This is optional, but if you want you can just give, you can give the link of your this YouTube video if you want, so that whenever a person comes over here, that person can just click on this learn more and go and watch a YouTube video if they want. Let me just select this option. Okay, watch more. Okay, so when it comes to the advertisement could be almost 59 seconds long, but if your advertisement video is very long, then you can just upload it on the YouTube and all, then you can give the link, and you can just give this option as a watch more, so that people can go and watch it on the YouTube. Okay, and over here you can just give the link of your YouTube video, and rest everything is same, adding the language and etc etc. Then you can just click on this publish, and your ad will be getting published if you have added the payment option. Okay, so over here you have to edit the payment option, and rest everything is same. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is all about how to promote your videographic content.